today. Let's see where we can go. Ooh. Almost lost it there. Alright, here we go. Alright. I think this is the right way around. Alright, so I'm gonna, whoops. Alright, so I'm gonna, oh, here I am, South Downs, this is where I am. Okay, I'm gonna get to Western CP, because there is a Fair Oak farm there, and I want to look at it. So, I'm gonna go past Springhead Hill, through Carmelity, down Chantry Hill, up Cross Dyke, go down until we get to South Downs Way, Clarkston Hill, wait, I've lost myself, no,